sun wakes up and paints the sky. I stretch my arms, let out a sigh. A bird sings loud, a melody flies. The world feels big, I feel alive. Thank you for the morning, thank you for the light, thank you for the laughter breaking through the night. A day of gratitude, it fills my soul. Thank you for the pieces making me whole. The grass feels cool beneath my feet. The breeze whispers secrets soft and sweet. A stranger smiles, our glances meet. This life's a puzzle, but oh, it's complete. Every step, every breath, every chance to reset. Thank you for the morning, thank you for the light, thank you for the laughter breaking through the night. A day of gratitude,